Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 6 surprising health benefits of walking barefoot daily. Walking barefoot can boost both your physical and mental health. Whether you're on grass or indoors, start slow, just a few minutes a day, so your feet can adjust. Choose clean, safe spots like parks, beaches, or your yard. Over time, your feet will toughen naturally. Here's why it's worth trying. 1. Restores natural walking. Without cushioned shoes, your feet land more naturally, more on the midfoot and toes, leading to lighter, gentler steps. 2. Builds strength. Going barefoot helps strengthen foot and leg muscles, improving stability and support. 3. Improves foot shape. It can lead to wider feet, better arches, and straighter toes, reducing issues like bunions, especially in kids. 4. Enhances balance and posture. Barefoot walking activates stabilizing muscles, improving balance and posture over time. 5. Reduces stress. Touching the ground, or grounding, helps calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and improve sleep. 6. Boosts mental health. Being barefoot in nature lowers anxiety, lifts mood, and sharpens focus, especially for teens. Risks to consider. Watch out for cuts or scrapes from sharp objects, fungal infections in public areas, and joint strain if you transition too quickly. Who should be careful? People with diabetes, foot injuries, or plantar fasciitis should ask a doctor first. Older adults or those prone to falls may prefer minimalist shoes for safety. Quick tips. Check your feet after walks, keep feet clean and dry, rest if pain starts, begin indoors, and increase time gradually. Take it step by step, you might love the feeling of reconnecting with the ground. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.